If your desktop looking like this, very boring and dumb and lazy desktop like you, so follow my channel. I give you a try and looking your desktop like very cool and aesthetic. You can see this very cool aesthetic and beautiful wallpaper looking like a wow. So let's begin. These are the following steps that are very much easy. So let's begin. The first step is right click and show desktop icons off. Your desktop icon save, nothing worry. And second step is go to your Chrome browser like this and search Rainmeter. And you can see the first link and go to download and download this tool. This is a very main tool. You can see this. And second, you go to Mond Rainmeter. You can see this and download this also. After downloading this, go to your white neon Rainmeter and go to this website VS Themes. Only VS Themes. Go to this website and download link is down and click on download. After downloading this, click on Rainmeter wallpapers and you go to this website, but I can prefer you can choose any wallpaper. After choosing this wallpaper, go to this wallpaper name and download any of this, like I can choose here and right click on there and save images and click on downloads and save. Now your all things are gone saved. Now close this all these sites like this. Now click on refresh and go to your file explorer and go to downloads and copy all of them. You can download these 4 files. Click on copy and go to your any drive and right click and click on new folder like this. Click on open and right click and paste it. And now you can see this. You can download these 4 main things. This is very important. The first step is click on the wallpaper and set as the desktop background. Like this, your wallpaper has successfully set. And I check my recording. Yeah, my recording is proper. Now go to your back your file explorer and click on Rainmeter. Now the main installation is here. Click on Rainmeter and next and install this Mond like this. Install and you can see this. Right click and unload the skin. Now go to your VS Themes and right click and click on extract like this, and your folder is ready. And click on this folder and click on this white neon and install this also like this. After installing that, you can see the some of the skins already load, but sometimes they never load. So it's very easy. First of all, this unload the skin and yeah, this skin is very cool. And this unload skin, click on this arrow and click on Rainmeter. Now click on Mond and first of all click on white neon. White neon, click and go to your date and load this skin. Yeah, there are many things, but I suggest that these 2 things are enough and pretty much cool and aesthetic. So after that, you click on this and drag there anyway. You can choose like this. And now you can see the Play Store and go to your Play Store Microsoft and this thing is very important. Search translucent TV. Search that and enter and click on the download button and install. I already downloaded. So there are these. After installation, click on open and see the magic. Your taskbar behind the bar is invisible. It's very much or cool. Click on this icon like TV and you can choose any option, but I prefer that not see this. And click on refresh and right click and go to taskbar settings and enable these options. Second option, hide your text bar. Click on the on close button and you can see that your wallpaper is successfully installed and looking like a wow. You can see that beauty and your desktop like wow. Also choose any of the wallpaper like go to Google and search Rainmeter skins. These are the websites and these are the skins. You can download all that, your choice, your thing. Any of the skin you like, your choice. Like and subscribe guys. You can see that more videos. Thank you.